the Maltese vegan. Merry Christmas.
Just woke up. My eyes are red. I slept about 10:30 and now it's 4:15 in the morning. In theory, I woke up to go cycling after not having cycled for almost 2 months or more. Honestly, I'm not looking forward to it. I enjoy cycling, or at least I used to enjoy it, but I'm dead tired. And yesterday I kind of woke up with a bit of a sore throat, but I wasn't sure if it's just because I was just inflamed a bit and that's it, or if it was actually cold. Then in the evening I was like, oh, sniffly. This morning I kind of woke up in the same way, a bit of a sore throat and a bit of a blocked nose. So I don't know if it's allergies or if it's tiredness or simply a cold. I mean, yeah, vegans get sick. So if it's a cold, obviously I don't want to go and cycle and make it worse. Especially if it's gonna be raining, which it seems likely. But it's probably already raining. At the same time, I don't want to be unprepared and not go if it stops raining. But I don't want to wake up at this hour, spend a couple of hours preparing, having breakfast and stuff like that, and then cancelling. So, first world dilemmas, I guess. But it's been a long time, so let's just risk it. I'm gonna try and go. Okay, life updates. My eyes aren't red anymore. I still have a cold, and I didn't go cycling. It's now 8 or 8:15, so it's 4 hours later. So, instead, my apologies. I'm gonna get started with editing. So that's the plan. Editing. I might decorate the Christmas tree. I'm not sure if I have time. And do more editing. Day 9, Vlogmas 9, December 9th. I'm sorry if you hear lots of noises, but outside there's a building being demolished, so lots of noise. We all need something in our lives that takes us out of ourselves and perhaps stops us taking ourselves too seriously. Whether it's a dog, a child, or a chat with a lonely person at a day center, there needs to be something that makes you realize that all the stuff that's getting to you isn't that important and reminds you of the simple pleasures in life. I don't know if you can see the torrential rain that's happening outside. I'm here in the heating of my place, sipping on a smoothie. What's life? By the way, if you're wondering how you can get a Christmas tree that's this big, it's about 100 80 centimeters, I think, something like that. You just get one of these small ones, you water it a bit, and in a few days it will grow to be this big. Just back, not from work. After work I went straight to physio, and I'm just back from physio. I'm exhausted. That's precisely, well, the aim of physio, no? To exercise yourself. And yeah, I can barely hold myself up. So luckily I prepared some food this morning for this evening, so I just have to eat that, and I'll probably do some editing in bed and go straight to sleep. So this is one of the things that I bought from that specialist shop I mentioned in one of my videos, and this is what they look like. I hope it's not too close or not too far. And obviously my battery just died, but anyway, this is the make. If you want to try it, well, if you find one like these, I suggest you try them. They're quite good. And this is what I have. It doesn't look pretty. It's polenta with some herbs. It's got vegetable stock, sage, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and chives. And I'll just pour this in a bowl, put on some nutrition yeast, and it's delicious. So I'm in bed now. I know it. I said I'm gonna be sleeping early or straight away, but it's 11 p.m. I'm terrible, I know. I just do not know how to go to sleep, but then I do not know how to get up early either. So it's a bit of a curse. Anyway, as on social media bits, gonna post some stuff on Instagram while sipping on the eggnog I made yesterday. But now I've had enough, and I'm off. I am in bed. I was gonna say I'm off to bed, but I'm off to sleep. Good night. I hope you're liking these Vlogmas videos. If you're not, or if you have any criticism or any comments or any suggestions, please feel free to leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I don't hear that much, unfortunately. I'm sure that you've all got your busy schedules, but if you ever have some time to comment, I'd appreciate any comments. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe and liking this video helps a lot also, so please do like this video and my other videos obviously. And yeah, that's all. Good night and see you to the next Vlogmas number 7. Bye bye.